These structures became more complex.
Don't forget to leave your comments below. Are you ready? Let's get started. Oh, he nailed it perfectly.
This provides security and comfort for families. Schools offer places for children to learn and grow. They give people access to life-saving medicine. They also provide It creates millions of jobs worldwide, from engineers, architects, and project managers to skilled workers. In real estate, in developing countries, construction is in urban areas, property values and stimulate local businesses. Furthermore, construction projects can provide a long-term return on investment. This increases productivity. Not only about function, it also transportation systems can reduce poverty and connect people to different construction also has a major construction industry help reduce the environmental footprint. Cities are also investing in innovations such as 3D printing, drones, artificial intelligence, and building information Corruption and mismanagement can also be problems, especially in large public projects. Climate change is another issue. As sea levels rise and extreme weather becomes more common, buildings and infrastructure must be designed to withstand. construction industry must be accountable and take responsibility for creating a better, more sustainable
Nobody's gonna know.
The role of construction in modern society.
Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna.
Is one of the most essential industries in the world today. It is responsible for
How
shaping
would they
the
know?
physical environment. From houses and schools to hospitals, roads, bridges, and skyscrapers. No public services is ignored. The foundations of society. Construction is deeply connected to human Offices and factories are where people work and produce goods. None of these would exist without the construction industry. The construction industry plays a significant role in the